And we're back. All right, in this one, we're going to just do some examples from Alex just to make sure we can apply what we talked about when we're talking about graphing compound inequalities. So if you go to Alex, you'll see that there is an assignment out there. We can preview. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to do that. I clicked the wrong thing. I'm actually going to just, for my sake, I'm going to just preview that. That is Unit 4. Homework for graphing. I just want to preview it. All right, that gives me this screen. Let me move this over here. All right, so we have on here 5 questions, right? I am going to take a look at a couple of them. For number 1, you see there's an and situation. I want us just to graph that compound inequality. For number 2, for example, same situation, but instead I have an or. Number 3, same situation. I happen to have another and. I don't know what you'll have. But then numbers 4 and 5 are the opposite way. I'm going to give you the graph, and I want you to write the equation using the and or the or, and then these correct symbols. Same thing with number 5. Use x for your variable, but then write the same thing. I'm going to go back and do number 1. All right, let me write here. So notice that we have an open and a closed. X's are going to be greater than 2, and X's are going to be less than or equal to 6. Okay. Well, when I look at this, there's an and situation. That means I need to shade in wherever they are both. Now you can do it in multiple ways. If you can see this, then that's fine. I mentioned to you before in one of our last videos that the and situation usually means you're going to shade in between. Here's how I'm going to do it just to break it down. First, I'm concerned about a 2, and I'm concerned about a 6. All right. So at 2 and 6, I'm going to put some points. Let me say, for example, at 2, it's an open circle. So I'm going to click this, go to 2. And then at 6, it's going to be a closed circle. All right. So let me escape from that. Now, since it's an and situation, that's a dead giveaway that you're going to shade in between. But let me do the long route. Let me use my information here. All of my x's are going to be greater than 2. So up here, I'm going to have an open circle, and I'm going to look for all of the things greater than 2. Well, x is also going to be less than or equal to 6. So that means at 6, I'll have a closed dot, and I'm looking for all of these numbers. Remember that I am only interested in where both of them lie, and that's in between these 2 numbers right here. So on my actual number line, I'm going to shade right here. I'm not going to do it with my marker. I actually use this shading piece, select that, check it, and I'm done. All right. That's that one. Let me do this one because I saw that it was an or. Let me erase this stuff really quickly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The both doesn't want to go away. Neither does that. Don't know how or why. But let me scratch that out. And notice that you have 2 numbers here. You have an x less than or equal to -2, or x greater than or equal to 7. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put my dots at -2. At -2, it's going to be closed. At +7, it's going to be closed. That came from, both of those dots came from this and this. Now I need my x's to be less than that or greater than that. Less than that -2 would be all of these, so I need to shade that. Boom. Or means I need to make sure that I show them both on here. It's not where they are both intersected, but I need this one or this one, so I need to show this one as well. All of my x's should be greater than 7. So there's that. Given that information, I should be able to check that, and I'll see that that's correct. All right, I know I'm moving kind of fast, but there aren't a whole lot of things to it. I think Alt-Z gets rid of it. Okay, not sure why it's not. Okay. For this one, I've been given a graph. I need to come up with the compound inequality. Notice that it is shaded in between here. That means it's going to be an and situation. Again, forget about that. That just won't erase, sorry. It's going to be an and situation, so I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to have my x's are going to be greater than this, and they're going to be less than or equal to that. So on one end, I'm going to say that my x's are greater than that. Ooh, that's not right. My x's are going to be greater than one thing, and then on the other end, I'm going to show that they are going to be less than something else. Actually, the order doesn't matter. Let me just do some writing on it, in fact. I'm just going to show. I'm going to show that my x's are going to be, on one hand, greater than something, in this case, 2, and my x's are going to be less than or equal to, because of the closed dot, 6. Those are my two. I'm going to write that here. And so with that said, I need this one, and I need this one. Over here I have an x, and it's less than or equal to 6. And at the same time, I have my x's greater than 2. All right. I can't get to my, oh, there. Gotta wait, be patient. Boom. And we're good. And we're done.